Hello everyone. This is the pre-market analysis of SOUN stock. In this video, we will talk about the key levels to watch November 17, 2025. In previous trading session, we saw 0.41% down move. Formed a bullish candle closed at $12.17. So the first key support level is $11.49. If the price goes below $11.49, it could test $9.66. The key resistance level is $13.84. If the price breaks above $13.84, it could test $15.31. That's my view on SOUN stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more updates. This video is for education only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.